Hey, Jacob.
Hey, Mom.
What are you doing?
Okay.
What are you doing?
Listening.
Hmm? You're playing on the computer?
Yeah.
Are you decorating the sheds?
Yeah.
Oh. That's great. How do you know how to use that computer? Hello? What are you doing?
Making the shed.
You're making the shed?
Oh, no.
Are you going to paint some more?
Mom. Yeah. Yes.
What website are you on?
I'm going to paint Ella.
You're going to paint who?
Ella.
Oh, you are?
No, I don't have an appointment yet. I thought that's what he was doing. I'm going to be in Pocatello next.
What are you doing? You won't even look at me. You're kind of spaced out, kid.
Okay, I'm going to look it out.
What time of day?
Are you going to look at me?
Yeah.
Let me see you. Say hi.
Hi.
You look tired.
No.
No?
I'm painting.
Oh, sorry. Hey, Jacob.
What?
Are you cute?
No.
What are you?
Boy.
Oh, you're a boy?
Yeah.
Boys can't be cute?
Boys can't be cute.
Why?
Because they can't.
Are you handsome?
Yep.
Oh, you're a handsome boy?
And Christy wants 10 o'clock on Wednesday.
Huh?
No. No, I haven't.
You're not a handsome boy? Hey, can you tell me about Jeremy having boogers?
Yeah.
Does he have boogers?
Yeah.
What kind of boogers?
Cheeseburger.
Jeremy's got cheese boogers?
Yeah.
Oh. That's funny. You are zoned out. What are you working so hard on? Oh, are you painting Edward?
Yeah.
Wow. You're pretty good with using that computer. Oh no.
Is it James?
He looks like James, doesn't he?
Yep.
Yep. Do you have dragon hair this morning?
No.
How come it's sticking out?
What?
Is it just crazy hair?
No.
No?
Oh.
What?
This.
Let me see. Let me see. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, you got the right color of blue and everything. That's great.
There's orange and red and blue and blue and blue. Mom, how about eyes?
Hey, Jeremy, is there blue?
Mom, where's red?
Yeah, but there it is. You're so silly. Hey, I see it. There he is. There's Edward. Oh, you even colored the W.
Mommy?
Well, go color some more, okay? Go finish your picture. Are you making that for Mommy?
What? Mom,
What?
show me.
Can I please help you? But you're doing such a beautiful job.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, buddy.
I'm painting.
I know.
What color Ella's face is going to be?
Edward's face should be gray.
Where's Gwen?
Right there.
Next to me?
Huh? Right there. Right underneath where you are.
Oh.
Right there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You gonna fix his face?
That gray, Mommy?
Yep, that gray. Fix his face. Uh-oh, you made his smile gray. There you go. Now go fix his smile and make it white.
White?
Yeah, he has to have pretty white teeth, doesn't he?
Where's white?
Do you think Edward brushes his teeth? Huh?
Where's white?
Where do you think white is? hard to see. No, look at the computer screen. Where's white? Do you think white is right there? I think so. Oh, go down. There you go. Oh, that's not the right color.
That's not white.
No. You're silly.
Where's white? Where's gray?
There it is. You're really concentrating awfully hard on that.
Now,
Who's
what?
your favorite train?
Aaron, Thomas, and Birdie.
Oh, well, Birdie's not really a train, though, is he?
I like Thomas and Aaron.
You like Thomas and Edward? What about Hero?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like Hero?
Yeah, and I like Spencer.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
I thought Spencer was a bossy boiler.
Oh yeah, he's bossy border.
That's funny.
Mom, now look it.
What did you do? Oh, that's getting better. Sorta. Now you messed it up. You gonna make them all red, like James? I think you're silly. You're a silly, silly boy. I love you.
Mom.